students, let us look at a sum on system of linear equations. This sum has been taken from NCERT textbook. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is cyclic quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. Find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Now here angle A is given to be 4y plus 20, B 3y minus 5, C minus 4x, and D minus 7x plus 5. That means the angles are given in terms of x and y. Now let us proceed for its solution. As we know that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means their sum is equal to 180 degree. Now here angle A and angle C are opposite to each other. Therefore angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A is 4y plus 20 and angle C is minus 4x. Therefore 4y plus 20 plus minus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Now 4y minus 4x and this 20 will go on right hand side, and therefore 180 minus 20, that is 160. Now dividing this equation by 4, we have y minus x is equal to 40. This is our first linear equation in x and y. Similarly, here angle B and angle D are opposite to each other. Therefore, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Now, putting the values 3y minus 5 plus minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 180. Now here 3y, this is minus 7x, 3y minus 7x, this minus 5 and plus 5 gets cancelled, and hence this is equal to 180 degree. Thus we have two linear equations, two simultaneous linear equations that we have to solve. Now from one, expressing y in terms of x, y is equal to 40 plus x, and putting this value in second, we have 3 multiplied by y is 40 plus x, 3 multiplied by 40 plus x minus 7x, this is equal to 180 degree. Now here 3x minus 7x, that is minus 4x, and 43 is 120, going to right hand side will become minus 120, and 180 minus 120, that is 60, and hence we get x is equal to minus 15. Now putting this value in this, y is equal to 40 plus x, we have 40 minus 15, that is 25. Thus we have x is equal to minus 15 and y is equal to 25. Now with these values of x and y, we can easily find the values of the angles A, B, C and D, which is written here. A, B, C, D that are given to be 4y plus 20, 3y minus 5, minus 4x, minus 7x plus 5 as shown in the figure, and they are given in terms of x and y. Now putting these values, x is equal to minus 15 and y is equal to 25, we have this 4y plus 20, y is 25, 25 4 is 100 plus 20, that is 120 degree. Similarly here the value is 70 degree, here the value is 60 degree, and here the value is 110 degree. We also see that angle A plus angle C, angle A plus angle C, and this is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, this angle plus this angle is also 180 degree. So our problem or answer is correct. Hence the sum. Okay, thank you. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए